Guys, this one feels effortlessly premium and smooth the moment you wear it. The fabric is ultra soft, lightweight, and very breathable. It has a subtle sheer finish that looks elegant and refined. Honestly, it's designed to balance comfort with modern style perfectly. The waistband sits gently without feeling too tight. It gives a secure fit while still staying relaxed. Friends, this is perfect for long hours of comfortable wear. No irritation, no adjusting, just an easy, smooth feel. The stitching is neat and almost invisible. Even under fitted outfits, it stays completely seamless. What really stands out is the airy texture of the fabric. It keeps you cool and fresh throughout the day. The design is minimal but very thoughtfully done. Nothing flashy, just a clean and stylish vibe. It gives a calm and confident appearance. The cut allows natural and free movement. You won't feel restricted at any point. The material quality feels soft yet durable. It maintains its shape well even after washing. That's a big plus for everyday use. The overall fit is snug but not tight. It adjusts smoothly to your body shape. A perfect blend of comfort and elegance.